Let f of x is equal to 3 to the power of x. Then we need to show that f of x plus 2 minus f of x over 2 is equal to 4 times 3 to the power of x. Dear all, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment this channel. Now let us start from the equations. Let f of x is equal to 3 to the power of x. Show that f of x plus 2 minus f of x is equal to 4 times 3 to the power of x. Now, to show this, let us start from the right hand side. That means f of x plus 2 minus f of x over 2. Since our f of x is 3 to the power of x, so f of x plus 2 becomes 3 to the power of x plus 2, and the f of x as it is, which is 3 to the power of x. So f of x plus 2 minus f of x over 2 is equals to 3 to the power of x plus 2 minus 3 to the power of x the whole over 2. But using the property or the law of exponential functions, this 3 to the power of x plus 2 can be split into 3 to the power of x times 3 to the power of 2. As a result, 3 to the power of x plus 2 minus 3 to the power of x over 2 is equals to 3 to the power of x times 3 to the power of 2 minus 3 to the power of x over 2. Here 3 to the power of x is a common, so we take the common 3 to the power of x as a common. We have 3 to the power of x into 3 to the power of 2 minus 1, the whole over 2. 3 to the power of 2 is 9. So we have 3 to the power of x times 3 to the power of 2 minus 1 over 2. 3 to the power of 2 is 9, then 9 minus 1 is 8. We have 3 to the power of x times 8 the whole over 2. But this is the same as 3 to the power of x over 2 times 8, or 3 to the power of x times 8 over 2, but 8 over 2 is 4. As a result, we have 4 times 3 to the power of x, which is the required result. Thus, for f of x is equal to 3 to the power of x, f of x plus 2 minus f of x over 2 is equal to 4 times 3 to the power of x. Thanks for watching my video.